Welcome to our roundup of the best hand tool sets that every DIY enthusiast and home mechanic needs. Whether you're fixing appliances, assembling furniture, or handling car maintenance, a complete and durable tool set is an essential companion. We've selected top-rated options that offer reliability, versatility, and value for money. We'll break down each model's key highlights, focusing on build quality, tool variety, and storage convenience to help you find the perfect set for your workshop or home. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest deals. Let's dive in and find the ideal hand tool set for you. The first on the list is the Deco Home Mechanic Toolbox. This well-rounded toolkit is designed for both beginners and professionals who want a dependable all-in-one solution. With 168 premium tools crafted from high-quality steel and finished with a chrome plating, it ensures strength, durability, and corrosion resistance. Whether you're tightening bolts, repairing furniture, or working on light automotive projects, this set covers it all. The ergonomic non-slip handles make tools comfortable to hold and reduce fatigue during extended use. Organization is another strong point. The tools are neatly arranged in a sturdy molded carry case, keeping everything in its place and easy to transport. What stands out about this kit is its versatility. It includes a wide range of sockets, wrenches, pliers, screwdrivers, a hammer, and precision bits, ideal for general household repairs or garage use. Overall, the Deco Home Mechanic Toolbox offers excellent value and durability for anyone looking to maintain, build, or fix with confidence. Next up is the TLGREN Home Repair 198-piece tool set. If you're looking for a reliable and budget-friendly all-purpose toolkit, this one deserves serious attention. It features 198 carefully selected tools, including wrenches, pliers, ratchets, screwdrivers, and precision bits, all made of high-strength steel to handle demanding repair jobs. The ergonomic design with soft grip handles ensures comfort and control during long hours of use, reducing strain on your hands. Another major advantage is its heavy-duty blow-molded case, which keeps tools organized, protected, and portable. Each slot is precision-fitted, so nothing rattles or falls out. This set is perfect for homeowners, apartment dwellers, or college students who want a complete kit for general maintenance. It's suitable for furniture assembly, plumbing fixes, and automotive adjustments. Overall, the TLGREN 198-piece tool set is a reliable, well-designed option that combines function, durability, and affordability for all-around repair needs. Next, we have the Deco 258-piece toolkit. Built for those who love having every tool at their fingertips, this comprehensive set delivers a professional-grade experience. It includes 258 chrome vanadium tools designed for strength, longevity, and precise performance. From ratchets and sockets to wrenches, hex keys, and a wide array of screw bits, this kit ensures you're ready for any repair challenge. The 3-layer storage case is intelligently arranged, making it easy to find the right tool instantly without rummaging through clutter. What truly sets it apart is the multi-purpose versatility. Whether you're handling car repairs, home installations, or mechanical maintenance, the Deco 258-piece toolkit has you covered. The case itself is compact yet durable, ideal for storage in a trunk, garage, or small workspace. Overall, this toolkit is a powerful combination of completeness, craftsmanship, and professional design, perfect for both serious DIYers and skilled technicians. Next on our list is the STONGO Hardware Household Hand Toolkit. For those who value both practicality and simplicity, this set offers an excellent balance between quantity and usability. It includes 170 precision-engineered tools suitable for everything from home improvement to small engine repair. The tools are crafted from high-grade carbon steel for toughness and resistance to rust, ensuring long-term reliability. Comfort is also prioritized. The anti-slip handles and well-balanced grips make tasks easier and more precise. STONGO's standout feature is its thoughtful organization system, which allows quick access to tools in a sturdy case that's easy to carry. You'll find essentials like pliers, adjustable wrenches, measuring tape, hammer, screwdrivers, and bits, all arranged for immediate use. Ideal for homeowners and DIY beginners alike, this kit makes minor repairs and assembly projects a breeze. Overall, the STONGO Hand Tool Kit is a dependable everyday companion for light to moderate repair work. The last one on our list is the Deco 228-piece Auto Repair Tool Set. Tailored for car enthusiasts and professionals, this set combines power, precision, and durability in one complete package. It features 228 high-strength chrome vanadium tools, each designed for heavy-duty performance and long-lasting wear resistance. Whether you're tuning engines, tightening bolts, or adjusting components, this kit provides everything you need. The 72-tooth ratchet system allows smooth, efficient movement in tight spaces, while the anti-corrosion mirror finish keeps tools shining and durable over time. All components are securely organized in a durable blow-molded case, ensuring easy storage and quick access. Overall, The Deco 2 28-piece tool set is a premium-grade solution for serious mechanics and DIY users who want professional-level reliability and performance in one kit. So, that's it for our lineup of the best hand tool sets available today. Whether you're tackling home repairs, garage work, or DIY projects, these tool kits provide everything you need for efficient, hassle-free maintenance. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more gear guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay connected.